Maselife. What are we on? Volume 6? 5, 6? Something like that. So, Mase loves, we just got home from shopping and every day, being out all day. We're gonna let Maya out again. But Mase loves Maya when she talks like that. Everything's Maya, so you know, even Amanda gets all worried that she's gonna bite him because he talks like that. Look. No, that's not yours. Hey, drop that. That's the baby's. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. It's babies. All right, you guys want to go outside? Come on. Come on. Get him, Mase. Get him. Get him, Mase. Get that puppy. Get that puppy. You get him. Oh, Mase go boom. You okay, buddy? See, I just ate. And I'm going to shoot. What, guys? What? What is it? What is it? What? This is yours.